transforming industries. Remember factories, big noisy places with assembly lines? Robots changed all that. Early robots were like tireless workers. They did the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks. This freed up human workers for more creative and complex jobs. These robots were mostly mechanical. They followed programmed instructions, but things were changing fast. Robots lend a hand, a new era in healthcare. Robots entered operating rooms and hospitals. They brought incredible precision to surgery. Surgeons could perform delicate procedures with robotic assistance. This led to faster recovery times and fewer complications. Robots also helped with rehabilitation. They assisted patients with physical therapy exercises. Robots became valuable partners in healthcare. The robot revolution, navigating the ethical landscape. This new world of robots is exciting, but it also raises important questions. What happens when robots take over jobs? How do we ensure robots are used ethically? These are challenges we need to address. We need to make sure everyone benefits from robotic advancements. The future of robotics is bright. Let's work together to make it a positive force for good.